फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी। जय जय हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी। फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी। फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे। ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ। जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी। फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी। फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे। ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे। फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा।
Myself Lakshmana Parmar and I'm in 10th standard. And I have been attending the online classes from the very first day they were started, and I really find it a very good initiative, and I'm really comfortable with it. And sometimes I'm not able to attend the classes due to network problems and issues, but the teachers always send the notes every day.
I'm clever friend Erica. Due to lockdown, I was not able to focus. Our studies may have gone advanced, but due to the praiseworthy efforts of our teachers, we were still able to study within the comfort of our home. The teachers are giving us online live classes, which are very good.
मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया। जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी। फिर से गाँव में जय 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 हो जय 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 जय।
Hello everyone, As a guardian, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards the management, principal and staff of MRA DAV School Solan to pioneer in creative learning and online assessment for all their students so that their education does not suffer at this time of the crisis. Thank you everyone. You are truly the unsung warriors. Thank you.
Program started by the school for the online classes is very beneficial and important for the student. Taking care of the present lockdown, the education of children should not suffer and children are attentive and focused because of these classes provided by the school. It helps in understanding every topics. It's really very helpful. We are thankful to the teachers and respected principal ma'am as they have taken a precious amount of time from their busy schedule.
Appreciate all the efforts that are being done by all the worthy teachers of MRA DAV School Solan for imparting better education to the students. They are really doing wonderful job as their efforts are really helpful in shaping the crucial time of student studies.
During this crucial time, DAV School and management are providing 100% efforts through online classes in which my ward, Namya Datta, is also studying. Teachers are trying their level best to give personal attention to all the students, and I appreciate the way they are putting 100% efforts. The school, management and principal of MRA DAV School is doing level best in providing.
Taken by the school, at least the students are studying instead of watching TV and playing games. They are in touch with the studies. I really appreciate
your efforts for taking such a wonderful step for giving online classes to our students. I'm really thankful to the teachers and all the staff of DAV School to provide online classes to their students to boost.
In today's pandemic situation, school teaching is a big challenge, but online classes has made it possible to work from anywhere at any time on the part of teachers. In the same way, students have an opportunity to get their studies done at their doorstep. Thanks to all the faculty members of MRA DAV to make it possible.
When this coronavirus spread has happened, we were worried about the study of our children. How will the studies go on, and there will be a great loss of study. But this is a great initiative adopted by you and the other teachers. You all are making good efforts to continue.
We have. Again, I thanks to the whole MRA DAV family, especially Principal Madam and teacher of the class 10th, who are doing such a wonderful job and so much hard.
It is a very good step. It will ease the burden of the students.
But due to some network issues, she is not able to attend some classes, which is a big concern.
But I appreciate all the teachers who are sending notes and taking online tests regularly. Thank you.